Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. If you're looking for a cost-effective, eco-friendly and time-saving way to dry your laundry, look no further. Our eSpares Tumble Dryer Balls are designed to dry and soften your laundry quickly and efficiently, without the need for any fabric conditioners or chemicals, and they also help you to cut down your energy usage. Handmade entirely from durable, long-lasting New Zealand wool, they not only provide great results, but also last for 1,000 washes, or roughly 3 years. That means you can keep making the most of them for countless cycles to come without spending another penny. You can also add a few drops of essential oils to these to make your laundry smell better than ever.
To use, simply throw the balls inside your dryer with your laundry, using 3 to 4 balls for small or medium loads and 5 to 6 balls for larger loads. Then run a cycle and the balls will work their magic. They work by separating your clothes, allowing hot air to circulate more easily and drying your laundry faster, saving you money on your energy bills. By lightly agitating the fibres of your laundry, they also leave your clothes feeling super soft once they're dry.
As well as the balls being eco-friendly, they also come in 100% plastic-free packaging. There are 6 balls, so enough for heavy-duty laundry loads, and they come with a very handy eSpares Tumble Dryer Ball storage bag. To get these for yourself, simply click the link in the description below. Also, before you go, check out our video, Energy-Saving Tips for Your Tumble Dryer 2. As well as these Tumble Dryer Balls, our tips will help you to become more eco-friendly and save you money. Also, remember, if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel for more product demos, appliance advice, and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching.